In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sticky note with To-Do list in Notion. We're building a simple, colorful sticky note that lives right on your Notion page and includes a clickable to-do list. It's fast to set up and perfect for tracking quick tasks or reminders. Start on any page where you want your sticky note to appear. Type /callout and press enter to create a new callout block. A callout is a highlighted box with an icon on the left and space for text on the right, which makes it ideal for that sticky note feel. Let's customize the appearance so it stands out. Click the emoji or icon on the left side of the callout and switch it to something that feels like a note or a task, such as a pushpin or a checkbox. This small change instantly communicates what the block is for and makes it easier to spot at a glance. Next, hover over the left edge of the block and click the 6-dot handle. Choose color, then pick a background color. A yellow background is a classic sticky note look, but choose whatever helps your notes pop without overwhelming the page. Now, add the to-do list inside the callout. Click inside the callout where you'd normally type text, type /todo and press enter. To insert your first task with a checkbox, for each additional item, repeat the same action. Type /todo and press enter. Each entry becomes a clickable checkbox you can tick when the task is done. As you work, you can press enter after any to-do to continue adding more items, keeping everything neatly grouped inside the same sticky note. Once you've got one sticky note that looks and works the way you like, duplicate it to build a set. With the callout selected, use the shortcut Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac to create an exact copy. This saves time and keeps a consistent layout. To arrange your notes into a clean dashboard, click and hold the 6-dot handle on any callout and drag it to the right or left. When you see a vertical blue line, drop it to form columns. Repeat with your duplicates to create a tidy multi-column layout that's easy to scan and manage. That's it! You've created a sticky note with a built-in to-do list, customized the look, and laid out multiple notes and columns for a simple, effective dashboard. Thanks for watching.